Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Gems of Knowledge. So I am here with a requested video on the chapter triangle, that is example 8 from the page number 100. This was the very requested video and on the demand of one of my subscriber I am willing here to do this video. Okay, so without wasting our time, let's start with the video. So the question here is, P is a point which is equidistant from two lines L and M. Okay, so this P is a point which is at equal distance from these two lines L and M. So these L and M are the two lines here. This line is L and this line is M, and this point P is at the equal distance from both these lines. Okay. So what we need to show here is, show that the line AP bisect the angle between them. So what we need to do here is, this is the complete angle here, and what we need to tell here is, what we need to show here is, this is the AP line which is bisecting this complete angle here. This is the complete angle and it is, this line is cutting that angle into two equal half. Okay, so in the solution what they have given, you can see here, consider the lines L and M. Consider these two lines, this is line L and this is line M, intersecting each other at point A. So these two lines are intersecting, that is they are meeting at this point A. Okay, and let P be perpendicular to L. So this PB is perpendicular to this L. Perpendicular in the sense it is at 90-degree angle. This PB is at 90-degree angle to this line L, and this PC is perpendicular to this line M. It means it is at 90-degree angle present here. Okay, now therefore we can say that this PB is equals to PC. We can say that this PB is equals to this PC. Okay, and what we need to show here is, if this line is bisecting this complete angle, means this line AP is cutting this complete angle into half equal parts. Okay, equal angle over here also and equal angle over here also. So that we need to show here that PAB, this PAB, this part, okay, this PAB, this part will be equal to this PAC. Okay, PAB, this angle is equal to this angle PAC. We need to show this. So here let us consider both the triangles. So let us consider both the triangles over here, that is PAC and this PAB. You can see here a small triangles has been formed here. So we have to consider this PAB and we need to consider this triangle PAC. So one thing already they have given us, that is PB is equals to PC. They have already given this PB line is equals to this PC. Already they have been given. Okay, then here we can see this is also 90-degree and this is also 90-degree. So we can consider that PCA is equals to PBA, which is equals to 90-degree. Here only we can understand that when these are perpendicular, we came to know that it is at 90-degree here and here also. Okay, so then the last thing which we can say here is, this one, this AP is common side for both this triangle. Okay, this is the common side for both this triangle. So we can write this as common side. So here you can see, by all these things we can say that both the triangles are congruent to each other. By which rule? By RHS rule. So you can see this is a side here. You can see this PB and PC, these are side. Okay, and this AB is nothing but the hypotenuse for this triangle. You can see wherever we are getting any right angle here, this will be its hypotenuse, this will be its opposite side, and this will be its adjacent side. Okay, so here this is nothing but its opposite sides. So which is given here, opposite side. By this we can say this is S, opposite side. Okay, and this PA is equals to PA. This is hypotenuse for both the triangle. Okay, so hypotenuse is given and one more right angle here, which is 90 degree. So according to this, we can write this is, according to our RHS rule, right angle hypotenuse side rule, we can say that both these triangles are congruent. If the two triangles are congruent, any part among those will be corresponding. So we can write here PAB. According to that, we can write PAB will be equals to PAC. This is the corresponding part of congruent triangle. Okay, I hope this one is cleared here. If you are having any doubts, you can comment me down. I'll surely help you out. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So I'll be back with another video. So till then, stay tuned and stay connected. Thank you.